Hello, this is a quick demonstration on how to use the um, rotate tool to create a radial pattern. So basically the operation is where you make your pattern, you make your object or whatever it is. All right, in this case I've made three kind of shapes. And now I'm going to go to the rotate tool, and I want to make this kind of go around in a circle around the end, around this middle. So I'm going to actually move the origin point down to here. Okay, that's the origin of the rotation, so I can rotate around that point. So it's just clicking once. And I'm going to hold down Alt, and that makes a copy. Okay, so I'm going to go to we can go to 45 degrees. I'm holding Shift to do that, or you can choose another number, depending on what you want to choose. I'm just going to choose 45 and hold down Shift and do it, and I'm going to release. Once you release, so I held down Shift and Alt at the same time, and I clicked and dragged, and then when I released, that operation took place. Don't click on anything else. And while it's still selected, while I'm still in the Rotate tool, right after I've done that operation, I'm going to go to Object, Transform, Transform Again, which is Control D. So I'm going to do it again, Control D, Control D. And what it does is it repeats that last transformation. So now I've created a radial pattern. Now you can do this with a lot of things. You can do this with a lot of transformations. All right? There's a way to transform with moving, with rotating, with reflecting. It doesn't work that great, but it can kind of work. And with scaling. Scaling transform again is a little different, but I'll go over that with you. It's kind of fun. So if I have an object, let's just make it white. And let's say I go to the scale tool and I scale it up or down or wherever, and I hold down Alt, so that can kind of alter that. So now I've created a new object from that same object using the scale tool and holding down Alt to make that copy. And then I'm going to press Control D. And now you'll see that pattern that is created from there, okay? Because I've Control D, I've done that operation again, and it just expands it out with scale and also making copy.